Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I have had loads of questions over the past 7 years that I have had our web store about colored contact lenses, and the most heard question is how do I get them on my eyes and how do I remove them again. And it has taken me all these years, but I decided, well, let's just make a YouTube video out of it so I can just share the video with anybody who wants to know how to get those lenses on the eyes and how to remove them again. First thing you want to do when purchasing your colored contact lenses is check if they are flawless before you break the seal that is on the bottles of the lenses. And why is this so important? Well, when you purchase your lenses and they are damaged before you have opened the seal, you can just call the person you bought them from and they will change them for new lenses. Once you have broken the seal and you say, well, there is damage on my lenses and the seal is broken, there is no way you can prove that they were already damaged, and the seller probably will tell you, probably you got them out of the jar wrong, or put them in your eyes wrong, or take them out wrong, and I can't be responsible for the lenses once the seal is broken. So very important, check the lenses before you break the seal of these bottles. Once you are satisfied with the lenses and the state you got them in, you want to open the bottles. Well, not everybody knows this, but there are actually little arrows on the side of the package. I hope I can crop this so you can see. That is where you want to open it, as this is metal, and if you don't open them from this side, the lid won't go off as easily, and I have actually cut myself in the past trying to open lenses. So I'm gonna put my nail under the little plastic cap and break it open. And then you want to remove the entire metal part with it. And once you have the metal of the bottle, you have broken the seal and you can just open the lid. To get these lenses out of the bottle, I have a little cup. I just remove the lid and pour everything into the little cup I chose. I can't show you, but the lens is in here. So now the lenses are in this little cup and they are still in the liquid that they were in while I purchased them. I like to renew the solution that they are in, and that is why I have this set. It has a lens cleaning solution and just a little box to keep your lenses in. So I just take a clean cup and put a bit of that liquid for my lenses in there, and I take the lens and just get it in the clean, fresh lens cleaning solution I just opened. And I will just let them be in this liquid for about 10 to 15 minutes before I will actually put them on my eyes. Now it's time to get the lenses in or on my eyes, and usually I do this looking down on a mirror. So I will put a mirror in front of me and I will look down to put the lens on my eyes. As I want to show you in this YouTube video, I will just show it straightforward, but if you never ever put lenses on your eyes, just take a mirror, lay it on the table in front of you and bow over the mirror to see what you are doing. So I put the lens on my index finger, and with the middle finger of the same hand I will pull my eyelid down a bit. With the other hand I will lift up my eyelid and just look straight forward and put the lens on my eye. And that's it. Let's do that again. So once again the lens is on my index finger, I will just pull down my eyelid with the middle finger of the same hand and pull my eyelid up with the other hand. Look straight forward, keep your eyes opened, wait for it, and there my lenses are on my eyes. This shouldn't hurt. I have worn lenses countless times, so it is very natural feeling for me. But I know the first time I wore contact lenses, it didn't hurt, but it felt very strange, like there was something on my eye that didn't belong there. If you have this, give it about 10 to 15 minutes and the feeling will get less, because your eyes get used to the colored contact lenses. Don't wear colored contact lenses for an entire day if you have never worn them before. Just take a few days to build up the amount of hours you are wearing them. So start out with an hour, take 2 or 3 hours the next day, and build it up until you can wear them the entire day. Otherwise your eyes will just become tired and dry, and well, the lenses will hurt if you try to put them in all day for the first time. So if you put them in and it feels like you have a grain of sand under the eye and it does hurt, or it feels like a sharp stinging feeling, I think your lenses are not clean enough. So you should get them out of your eyes and put them back in the lens solution to let them clean a bit longer. Maybe you didn't wash your hands. I forgot to tell you earlier, but you should definitely clean and wash your hands before putting in colored contact lenses. And you should then, after 10 to 15 minutes, just try again. When you want to remove the lenses from your eyes again, you will open your eyes by pulling up this upper eyelid and pulling down the lower eyelid. You don't have to really stretch these, just get them open a bit. Don't hurt yourself. And then with 2 fingers, and I'm looking at the mirror, you just get them from your eyes and put them back in the lens solution immediately. So once again, lift the upper eyelid, pull a bit on the lower eyelid, and I'm looking in the mirror because otherwise I can't see, and just with your thumb and index finger, take the lens from the eye. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all the videos we upload to this YouTube channel. We have how-to videos like this one, but we also have special effects makeup tutorials, face painting tutorials for kids and for adults. So if this is something you are interested in, definitely subscribe.